Khan from Canada, he says, whoa, this is really bad. Wallahi, I don't know what I wrote. I can't even read my own handwriting. Hold on. Okay. Where'd you get those? Really see through them? All right.
Sunglasses.
Nah. What's up?
Yo, what's up, man?
The question is that in Islam, do we believe that if gender is what people think that it is?
Duh.
What I understand of the question is that in schools they teach it that gender is up to you, what you believe you are, a male, female, or in between. So
I'm a bird.
Aftab from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa barakatuh. Can you mute your music, Aftab? This is an Islamic program. What do you want to do? Kill us? Either you're endorsing him or you're tarnishing his reputation, and there is no use for the ummah at all to use such inappropriate questions. Sad man, you do this again, I'm gonna block you.
They bring it to you, Mr. Pakistani father. But look what I got, 95. What do? Next time get 100.
Is this pen najis or pure? It's pure. How do you know, Sheikh? Maybe the person who used it before you had soiled hands. Maybe he had urine. Maybe he did not wash. Maybe. And maybe your parents are not your biological parents. Go and do a DNA test.
I have my most important exams till now in my life, inshallah, right after Eid. I need to prepare for it during Ramadan. And I'm worried that I may lose the strength for preparation. What is the ruling for me?
There's no problem, Akhi. As long as you are not interested in paradise and have no problem in going to hell, you have no problem. You can skip fast.
What about the kids? They don't want, that's old man stuff. So the kid said, you know what, Dad, just let me have one of these.
And we have Sufyan from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, I'm your big fan. May Allah bless you, Sheikh.
That means Zakallah khair. May Allah promote you to an air conditioner.
When I wake up, I find that my trousers are, they feel cold and they feel as if they are wet. But when I check them, I find like no wetness on them. So then like, I find no wetness on them and no like, no money. So then what should I do then? Should I just ignore it?
You should go back to sleep. You have no problem in that. Don't open the door for OCD.
Sheikh, why do you look so cute on TV? What part of the room did this come from? Oh, I had it upside down.
Oh, okay.
Actually...
Anger can be truthful and can be fake. People come and say, I divorced my wife in anger. This is normal. Nobody divorces his wife while drinking a cup of coffee or tea and he's in a good mood and says, listen, my love, I divorce you.
Allah uses the word called find and found in this 3 ayah. So the word found is used if someone forgets something and he finds it. As Allah is Al-Alim, the all-knowing, why did he use the word called find and found in this ayahs?
I don't know.